Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get through the Kraken door. First, ensure you have the required items in your inventory. Next, approach the door and observe its unique features. Then, follow a straightforward sequence of actions to unlock it. This easy method will save you time and effort, allowing you to progress smoothly through your adventure. Let's get started with the preparation. Before heading to the Kraken door, you'll need a couple of crucial items. The most important is the one Kraken key, which is typically found in the sunken ship wreckage nearby. You'll also want a luminous orb. This helps reveal hidden mechanisms. Make sure you have at least 2 free inventory slots to manage these items effectively. Gathering these first makes the process much smoother. Once you're at the Kraken door with your items, the process is simple. First, activate the luminous orb to reveal the hidden keyhole. Then, carefully insert the Kraken key into the newly visible slot. Wait for the door's ancient symbols to glow brightly, indicating it's ready. Finally, press the large coral button located on the right side of the door. It will open swiftly. For a smooth passage, stand about 3 feet from the door after pressing the button. This ensures you're in the optimal position. Avoid clicking on any other environmental elements, as this can sometimes reset the door sequence. The Kraken door will remain open for approximately 15 seconds, so be ready to move through quickly. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated the Kraken door.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.